Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to view all the shared documents on WhatsApp chat. In this video, we will guide you through the steps to easily access and view any documents that have been shared in your WhatsApp conversations. To begin, open the WhatsApp application on your Android device. Once the app is open, navigate to the chat where you want to view the shared documents. Next, tap on the contact's name or profile photo at the top of the screen. This will take you to the contact's profile page within the chat. Now look for the option that says Media, Links, and Docs and tap on it. This will bring up a list of all the media, links, and documents that have been shared in the chat. In this list, look for the option that says Docs and tap on it. This will filter the list to only show the documents that have been shared in the chat. You can now scroll through the list of documents to find the one you are looking for. Simply tap on the document to open and view it directly within the WhatsApp chat. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can easily access and view all the shared documents in your WhatsApp conversations. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one.